In this video, I'll show you how to create a dramatic burn alpha transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition burns through the current clip and reveals the next clip with fiery organic edges, creating a raw cinematic effect. It works great for trailers, dramatic edits, music videos, and intense storytelling moments. Let's get started. First, place your two video clips on the timeline and align them at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, open the FX panel, search for Burn Alpha, drag and drop it between your clips, select the transition and open Effect Controls. Here are the main settings. Intensity controls how strong the burn effect appears, increase the value for a brighter and more aggressive burn, decrease it for a softer burn effect. Spread controls how far the burn expands across the frame, increase the value to make the burn cover more area, decrease it for a tighter burn edge. Softness controls how sharp the burning edges look, increase the value for smoother, softer edges, decrease it for harsh, crispy burn lines. Colorize outgoing clip changes the burn color on the current clip. Try orange, red, or yellow for a realistic fire look. Colorize incoming clip changes the reveal color on the next clip. You can match this to the outgoing burn color for a seamless transition. Dissolve time controls when the next clip starts appearing. Increase it for a later reveal. Decrease it for an earlier reveal. Use a shorter duration for a fast, intense burn. Use a longer duration for a slow cinematic burn through. Pair this with fire crackle or impact sound effects for extra drama. And that's it. That's how you create a burn alpha transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.